I have to sneeze. Don't do it, Dad. Why not? It's gonna be so loud. I can't help it. Here it comes. Oh, no. It's so loud. I can't hear anything. There's nothing I can do. Here comes another one. A tornado? Get away from me. Please just stop. I'm so sorry. This isn't good. You're destroying everything. I think that's the last one. Wait, what have I done?